Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your friend Hamid from It's Made Easy, and yes, we make it easy for you. Today we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in easy steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, here we have the 2D diagram of today's exercise that we are going to convert into 3D part model in SolidWorks 2015. And this part model we are going to complete in just 4 steps. The first step will be the extrude part of the base part that we have here, the section, and to a length of 140 mm. The second part will be the extrude from the front plane that we have here to an width of 12 mm, and the third part will be the symmetrical extrude of this concentric circle that we have here. You can think that like it's been made symmetric, but it's not been made symmetric, so I'm just saying that. So if you are going to make this also symmetric to the other side, to make the number of steps as minimum as possible, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut that include like along with the extrude cut that we are going to make for the whole. Okay, let's start with the new part model now. The first step that we told is we'll be taking the right plane and we are going to draw this section. So for your own kind information, I'm just taking this point as the origin. So here we have an overall height of 18 mm, so I'm just going towards upward to a length of 18 and overall length of 85, and again towards down 18, and this width they have given 18 and 18 cross 18, so I'm just going 18, and this height they have given here as 3 mm, so just following the steps. And again from here we have 18 mm towards upward 3 mm, and just connecting the circle, just closing the contour, extruding to an overall length of 140 mm. Yeah, since it's not been made symmetrical, it's not necessarily that we need to give mid plane, so even it's okay, we'll give the mid plane alone here. Okay, now we are done with the what is called the base part. And now what am I going to do is I'm just going to take this plane as normal and going to draw this section. So here we can observe that here we have 2 sets of concentric circles, like which centers are being made to like with a length of 20 cross 38 and here 50 cross 100 mm. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to draw a corner rectangle from the upper edge. I'm just starting with the left side concentric circle, which is made at 20 cross 38, so 38 mm height and 20 length, and again a corner rectangle of here 50 cross 10, so height of 100, length of 50. So these are the centers of the 2 concentric circles. So what am I going to do is here we have an inner circle of 18 mm diameter and an outer circle of 40 mm diameter, so I'm just drawing that. Inner diameter is 18, outer diameter is 40, and again here inner diameter is 30 mm and outer diameter is 55 mm, and we will be just trimming the unwanted parts. So this also will be the unwanted section here, these parts. Okay, this section as well. So here one thing we can notice that here they have made a rib kind of thing which connects the edge of here and made tangential to the outer circle, so I'm just drawing that, starting from here, making it tangential. Yeah, it's been made tangential, and so we can just trim this section now. And now the remaining part that we have here is just to draw this part. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to draw one vertical line towards down and another horizontal line towards here. So Here we have made a fillet of radius 225, so I'm just taking this fillet here. So before that, let me trim here so that I can try whether it's been made or not. 25 mm. Yeah, it's been made at 25. And the other section, they are like not necessary to be here, this section and here. And yes, we are done with the geometry, with the except of the closing section that we have here. And yes, we can just give extrude, but make sure it's on the other side, and to an overall width of 120. Okay, yes, we are done. And now what we are going to do is we are just going to draw these two concentric circles. I think we have made on the opposite side. So what we can do is just we can edit this and just give an option of offset, just changing the direction. And since it's of 85 minus this 12, it's supposed to be 73. Sorry. Here 73. To make sure, yeah, it's been made at the edge. And yes, we are done with the second part. And the third part will be the extrude of the two concentric circles that we have here. So I'm just taking this plane as normal and drawing the two concentric circles. I can't make any reference. Okay, here and again here, connecting the outer one, connecting the outer one. Yes, again the same feature extrude. One thing we can notice that here from this edge it's been made 24, and from this edge 12 plus again the extended length towards here it's made 12. So on towards this direction we need 12 mm, and on the other direction we need 12 plus extra 12, which is 36 minus 12 minus 12. Of course it's 12. So we are going to give the direction to option. So I'm just going to make it as 24, so that we will be making this one to the extended part, and also this one, and this one we are going to just extrude cut along with the hole that we have here. Okay, now the final part that we have is just to make the hole. So I'm just taking this part as normal and drawing the hole which is made at a length of 30 from this edge and 35 from the outer edge. So I'm just going to take the corner rectangle from here. It's supposed to be made at 35 cross 30 mm and height of 30 mm cross 35, and again from here height of 30 cross 35. And now I'm just making the two circles of diameter 16. And now we can observe that this is the section, this rectangular part is the section that is not needed to be made. So I'm just drawing a rectangle from this part to here, so that I can make an extra extrude cut on the other direction which is not needed at here. And also it won't be, if we make the other direction, it won't be affected, the hole won't be affected. So I'm just trimming off the unwanted sections. Okay, now just giving the extrude cut option. Yeah, it's been made on the outer direction. Yeah, I'm just extending, and also I'm just giving the other direction as well. Yeah, it's been made until an extra length of this unwanted section. Also this one is not going to affect anything, so it's okay to be made like that. And yes, we are done with the last part, and that way we are done with today's part model. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like our tutorial, share this tutorial with your friends. See you in next session. Bye.